Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Jesse and Monica from Somewhere Local. Today we're in the beautiful Newport Back Bay area doing the Nature Reserve 5.2 loop. Let's go check it out. So Monica and I picked a beautiful day to get back out on the trails. It's about 77 degrees today, a little bit of cloud cover, a nice breeze coming off the bay. It's gonna be one beautiful day out in nature. One really cool thing to start right off the parking lot is a little nature center. We're gonna pop in there and check it out. Monica and I are finally ready to hit the trail, but if you come here, take a couple minutes to walk through the nature center. Really cool little spot that gives you a little history of the area and what you might see from animals to plants, etc. So Monica and I made a left coming out of the nature center. The hike there is called Delhi and leads down towards the bay. So let's check out these beautiful views and get some hiking in. So right after you come down the stairs for the Delhi hike, you're right next to a little part of the bay that kind of looks like a river, and it is just absolutely teeming with fish. It's quite crazy, right, baby?
So amazing.
So if you're fans of the channel, you're probably wondering, where have you guys been? It's been a hot minute since Monica and I have posted anything, and that's really because our personal lives have really exploded between new jobs, promotions, a bunch of other things going on in our personal lives. We've been doing quite a bit to get those things shored up so we can bring you more content like this. So stay tuned. Well, the Delhi portion of the hike is only about a mile. I'm not sure if that's fully accurate, if it goes farther to the west, but we landed up on Bayview, which is right on Irvine Boulevard, really heavily trafficked, cars, planes flying overhead. So just keep that in mind if you come do this hike. Yeah, this stretch along Irvine Avenue here is really loud, from the cars to the planes, etc. There's also zero shade, so I definitely recommend you wear some sunscreen. One little cool thing along this path though, there's plenty of little information boards like that one if you're into learning a little bit more about this whole area. Got that on camera. Monica and I haven't seen a lot of life on this trail outside of the fish and a few birds, but there are warning signs for California king snakes, gopher snakes, a variety of lizards, insects, etc. So just keep your head on a swivel while you're out here. So we took a slight left trail called Isabel, I believe, or West Isabel, something like that. Kind of leads you through this heavily overgrown area that's really cool. Has a little bridge, but be careful, you might run into some trolls. Monica and I are about 2 miles in. You start finally cutting in towards the bay. So we'll see how the rest of this hike's looking. Okay, we're not 100%. This is the trail. You go by some kind of weird, sketchy drainage ditch area that's all spray painted up. It's got some kind of hole into another universe. But there is a little bit of a path. We're gonna head down it. Just wanted to give you a quick update. That hill you saw us climb, do not go up that hill. The trail ends there at about the 2 mile mark from where we parked to there. So we're gonna head back and reevaluate our lives and then see what comes up next. Yeah, so again, if you've made it up to this, you've gone too far, you need to head back. So when you get to the end where that wall was we climbed that you shouldn't have, it's kind of a loop. The loop heads back towards the street and then heads back to the parking lot. We're gonna do that one, no filming because it's kind of boring and loud, and then we'll give you a recap once we get back to the car. All right, well, officially back in the car. 3.4 miles on the loop we did up here at the Newport Back Bay. Kind of a meh hike, not a lot to see, really busy from cars to bikers to the planes flying over. So if you're just getting out and want to get active, it's a great spot. If you're looking for something a little more, I'd go somewhere else. Peace. Hi.